This is the presentation of Probing Particles, the future of particle physics 2025 and beyond. What is the science and technology issue all about? Number one, development of large-scale particle accelerators. These machines can be extremely expensive and require massive infrastructure. Number two, uses neutron beams to prove materials. Neutron sources are complex and raise questions for safety, energy, consumption, and accessibility for researchers worldwide. Number three, FCC, Planned Super Collider. The Planned Super Collider uh, will succeed. They plan to succeed the Large Hadron Collider with a 91 km circumference. The issue is high cost. Number four, both aim to push the boundaries of fundamental physics and material sciences. They could revolutionize our knowledge of the universe and benefits to industries like energy, medicine, and technology. The issue is ethical and societal concerns arise about investing heavily in projects whose practical benefits may not be immediately felt.
So, what factors or events led to the introduction of SNT during that year? The ESS, after more than a decade of planning and construction, is finally becoming operational, making it a centerpiece of global scientific research. Similarly, planning and momentum for the FCC have accelerated as scientists aim to surpass the discoveries made by the Large Hadron Collider. These developments show how long-term preparation coupled with political and financial support has made 2025 a milestone year in particle physics. Another factor is the role of technological progress and global collaboration. Breakthroughs in accelerator design, superconducting magnets, and high-performance computing have made these large-scale projects possible. At the same time, international partnerships have pooled resources, knowledge, and talent to fund and build these facilities. The demand for deeper understanding of the universe, such as solving the mysteries of dark matter, drive these initiatives together. These factors explain why particle accelerators are at the forefront of science and technology in 2025. Now, what are the ethical dilemmas in advancing particle physics? One of the most pressing concerns is the financial cost. The ESS already costs billions, while the FCC is projected at around 17 billion. Critics argue that these funds could instead support urgent issues like poverty reduction, healthcare, or climate change mitigation. Beyond cost, the environmental impact of constructing and operating these facilities cannot be ignored, as they consume vast energy and alter ecosystems. These questions highlight the importance of balancing discovery with responsibility. There are also issues of equity and public trust. The dilemma of whether billions should go to physics or pressing global problems, showing the tension between curiosity driven science and human needs. Public risk perception adds another layer. Many still worry about the safety of high energy experiments despite reassurances from scientists. Without transparency and open dialogue, misinformation could spread and lead to opposition. These dilemmas remind us that scientists must always be guided by ethics, ensuring that its benefits outweigh its risks for society and the planet. Now, why is it important studying STS? Studying science, technology, and society, or STS, is essential when we look at innovations like the ESS and FCC. STS helps us connect scientific discoveries to their real world impact, showing how particle physics affects people's lives beyond the laboratory. For example, Research from these accelerators can lead to breakthroughs in medicine, energy, and engineering. But at the same time, STS reminds us that these technologies should serve human needs, not just scientific curiosity. In this way, STS gives us a framework to evaluate both the promises and the risks of big science projects. And that is all for the presentation.